Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix an APC battery backup that keeps beeping continuously. First, you can silence the alarm. Simply press any button on the front panel of the UPS. This will temporarily mute the beeping so you can work without distraction. Next, check for an overload condition. Look at the front panel and see if the overload light is on. If it is, turn off the UPS and unplug some devices. Make sure only essential equipment like your computer and monitor are connected to the battery backup outlets. Do not connect high-power devices like laser printers or power strips. Now, check the battery connection. Turn off the unit and unplug it from the wall. Open the battery compartment and make sure the internal battery connector is firmly connected. A loose connection can cause constant beeping. If the battery is old, it may need replacement. Most UPS batteries last around 2 to 3 years. If your unit fails a self-test or the battery is aging, replace it with a compatible battery. You can also perform a hard reset. Turn off all connected devices and the UPS. Unplug the UPS from the wall. Disconnect the internal battery. Then hold the power button for 5 seconds to drain any remaining power. After that, reconnect the battery, plug the UPS back in, and turn it on. After replacing the battery, it is important to calibrate the unit. Fully charge the UPS, then connect a moderate load of about 30%. Let it run until it shuts down. This helps reset the runtime readings. Thanks for watching.